Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to get live wallpapers on your iPhone. And first of all, we go to our camera because we need to make a picture. And first of all, make sure that you turn on right in the top the live option. Then from here, if I move this cup of coffee and I make now the picture, you see that we just created a live picture. So if I tap now left in the bottom and I click left in the bottom on share and then scroll down and then do use as wallpaper, you will see that he is preparing our wallpaper. And if we will wait for a while and we tick now here on this icon, you can see that we have a live wallpaper. So every time when we see our screen, you will see this little moving in our wallpaper. So if we now do add and then do set as wallpaper pair, we have this awesome wallpaper, but the live wallpaper now as background. So this is exactly how you can do this. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.